It's been a bit of a pain because it doesn't hold sockets, so if you tip it, the socket just falls off like that. I have an Ingersoll Rand 231 HA half-inch impact wrench. This thing is amazing. It does great. The only complaint I have, when I got it, the socket retainer ring was semi-mangled and it was hard to get sockets on and then even harder to get them off. So I found on Amazon this Tool Guy Republic makes a 10-pack of these things with a little special tool to aid in putting them on. So I thought I would give it a try. So I bought this the other day, and essentially, from what I can see, you use this little plastic rubbery anvil, they call it, and you grab one O-ring and one retaining ring. So the O-ring we take and push onto the end here. It's hard to do with one hand. So just roll that on until you've got an O-ring right on here in this little lip. Then we're going to take our metal retaining ring and push it into that anvil. Now, as you can see, the retaining ring is in there. So it says in the instructions to take this, put this in here, and then push it in at an angle and just kind of roll it in. And wow, that was really easy. It's in there. That made that a breeze. So now let's see if it'll hold a socket. Wow. This will dramatically improve your quality of life using your impact. Look at that. Fantastic. So, link is in the description so that you can pick one of these up. Apparently this will work on a bunch of different impacts. Probably they all use basically the same anvil, but there you go. That is quite an upgrade for not a lot of money and not a lot of time, that's for sure. That went on super easy. Thanks for watching.